Hi guys, in this session we are going to learn about checkbox in Android. We are going to create 4 checkbox. So if you start typing, you will get option like checkbox over here. So I will get checkbox, then wrap content, and after that Android text, and I will get text like Android. If you see, this is a tag of to create checkbox. That is a checkbox only, capital C and capital B. So now what I will do, I have already created 4 checkbox option like Python, Kotlin, JavaScript and Reddit. So what I will do, I will just copy this one only and I will replace this. So Android, JavaScript, Kotlin, Python and submit button. So suppose if I run this, I will get all the checkbox options. So if I click on all the options and then submit, there will be nothing happen. So what I have to do is I have to write the logic for this. So I will give here button submit and then checkbox. I will create the object. So Android, then JavaScript, then what I have Android, JavaScript, Kotlin. So I will give Kotlin, then Python. So all 4 languages I have created, and I will give the reference. So submit equal to find view by id r.id dot submit. Here I am matching with these all elements, all the IDs. So like this only I have to do for all. So I'll just what I'll do, I'll copy paste 1, 2, 3 and then 4, and this will be my Android, then JavaScript, Kotlin and then Python. Here will be Android, JavaScript, Kotlin and Python. So now I have to after all checked, if you see uncheck of this of all item and unclick of submit button, it should display that item. Okay, so what I will do, submit dot set on click listener. I have to implement one listener, and after that new on click listener. So view dot on click listener, press enter. So you will get this code. Here I will declare I will create one string builder so that I can add all into the one. So string builder equal to new string builder, and what I will do, builder dot append selected items and slash n, then I will check if Android dot is checked. So you can use either switch case or any if condition. So I am preferring if condition over here. So builder dot append, and then I will take Android dot get text plus I will append slash n at the end. So I have to do for all the items. So Android, then JavaScript. Here also it will be JavaScript, then Kotlin, and then Python. And after completing this all, I have to make the post dot make text context, then builder dot toString. I have to convert into the string, then time to display this. So I am giving the short time. So if you have any query, you can ask me. Let's run this. So if you select all 3 items, then it will display all the contents. Then again, thank you for watching. If you have any query, you can ask.